Hi guys, this is my video on how to record your voice for the upcoming debate project. I always advise that you use Vidyard. Again, it's the go-to screencasting software right now. You would just Google Vidyard Screen Capture, and from the Chrome Web Store, again, click it, come here, and then you would click Add to Chrome. Mine just says remove from Chrome because I already have it installed. You'll probably have to sign in with Google and authorize or allow your microphone and webcam. We're only using the microphone in this case. And all computers, even your Chromebook, has a microphone. It's usually on either side of your webcam. So once you're ready to record, you'll again put up a screen like this in a Google Slide or a Google Doc. I'm using Google Slides just because I have it ready right now. And you will read your read your speech. You would need to click this button up here and then see if you can get it to work. Again, start recording. Again, and then you would have a little button down here that said stop, or like another kind of little square button that meant stop. You would click that after you're done reading your introduction, argument, or conclusion. And once you're all done, you'll come to a screen like this. Again, this is what, you say edit Vidyard recording, and you would give it a better name. So anti-marijuana introduction, and maybe hyphen Mr. Miller. Add your name as well. And some people think, okay, I've recorded it. I've watched that sound clip. Everything sounds right. I don't want to re-record it. How do I hand it in? Up here, you'll see the copy link button. You would click it. And then you would go to Google Classroom and go to the assignment where I ask you to hand in your kind of sound files and your research. And again, ignore this. I'm just not usually a student in a lot of classrooms. Okay, so pretend this is my debate hand-in assignment folder, and add and create. You would choose link, paste in your link. And then once that's done loading, you would click turn in. Just make sure something is submitted. So just make sure every portion of the debate between you and your partner, if you're working in as a partnership or a trio, every part of your debate, the introduction, the position, and the conclusion are all handed in. If you have any questions or you're having some technical issues, you can come find me on Google Classroom or in Google Meet.